go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Today I'm sitting in a 2018 Jeep Compass. Go ahead. All right. And I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. So what I'm going to do is I'm in front of the steering wheel, right? I am going to look up underneath here. I'm going to go down here. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to open up the door so you can see some stuff. All right. And then right up here, it's an arrow that's pointing towards how to open up the hood. So I'm going to go right here. And I find that lever right there, and that is a hood button. So I'm just gonna pull that, and you hear that click. And so I'm gonna go around to the front of the vehicle. All right, I'm gonna go around to the front of the vehicle, and I'm gonna go up underneath here, and I'm gonna pull up, but it won't come up. So I have to get to the lever. There's a lever in here, and I just get right there, push it over. It's right here. It's hard to see. Push it over. And then open up the hood just like that. That's a lever right here. Right here. Do you see that lever right there? I have to push that lever over. All right, and then put up the kickstand right there. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.